Welcome to the Porphis Support Center. In this video, we're going to walk you through the gun head structure and maintenance on the 81 series spray gun. The PRD-81 gun head features a one-piece distribution structure. Both the air and fluid distribution functions are integrated inside the head. The two screws on the head are mainly designed to prevent it from dropping during cleaning. They are not meant to fully lock the gun head in place. Therefore, it is perfectly normal to feel a slight wobble after removing the nozzle. When installing the new air distribution ring, mind the direction. Insert it with the sleeve facing down and the baffle facing up. This design simplifies assembly and effectively prevents incorrect installation. When removing the air distribution ring, never pry it out with tools. Simply turn the gun head upside down or blow it with an air blow gun and it will pop out easily. The air distribution ring is designed to ensure a stable and even airflow. The gun can still operate even if the ring is missing. However, to ensure optimal performance, we recommend replacing it as soon as possible.